Hey, welcome back to Site Culture. Today we're going to discuss a fascinating topic. We're diving into the world of dating and how strategic social interactions can significantly influence attraction. We'll explore two techniques often used in social dynamics, Negs and false time constraints. Just before we dive in, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our future content. Let's jump right in. The first technique we're discussing is the neg. A neg is a light, playful remark intended to playfully undermine someone's confidence while displaying value in yourself. It's not about insulting or belittling, rather it's about teasing and creating intrigue. According to a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology by Eastwick and colleagues in 2006, playing hard to get or showing selective availability can increase attractiveness. However, it is essential to note the context and your existing rapport with the person. Here's an example. If a woman mentions she's an artist, you might say, "That's interesting, most artists I know are pretty spontaneous. I hope you're not too scatterbrained." It's light, it's playful, and it's not offensive. The objective is to engage, not to offend. However, keep in mind, this technique can sometimes be interpreted as a backhanded compliment or light insult, so it requires tact and intuition. You should always respect the person's feelings and be aware of their reactions. The goal is to pique curiosity, not to hurt anyone. Now, onto the second technique, the false time constraint or FTC. This is a technique in which you suggest early in the conversation that you won't be around for long. This alleviates pressure and can make the interaction more comfortable, as the person knows you won't be occupying their time indefinitely. Supporting this technique, a study by Pennebaker and colleagues in 1979 showed that individuals tend to be more open and share more personal information if they believe the interaction is temporary. Again, it's about creating a comfortable environment for both parties. An example could be, "I've got to meet a friend in a few minutes, but I saw you across the room and I had to come over and say hi." By providing an FTC, you're setting a boundary for the interaction and reducing any perceived pressure. Here are a few more examples of false time constraints that you might use in different social situations. At a networking event. "I need to circulate and meet a few more people before the keynote speaker begins, but I just had to ask about your experiences in the industry." In a coffee shop. "I'm actually just about to head out to a meeting, but I noticed your book. How are you finding it?" At a party. "I'm going to grab a refill in a few minutes, but I couldn't help overhearing your discussion about traveling." At a bookstore. "I'm in a bit of a rush to meet a friend, but I saw you looking at one of my favorite authors. What do you think of their work?" In a grocery store. "I'm on my way to the checkout as I'm in a bit of a hurry, but could you help me choose between these two brands?" Remember, the aim of a false time constraint is to alleviate any potential pressure from the interaction by making it clear that you're not going to occupy a lot of their time. This can make the other person feel more comfortable, leading to more fruitful and pleasant conversation. Bonus tip. For successful social interaction, it's essential to approach a group with a level of enthusiasm or joviality that either matches or slightly surpasses the prevailing vibe. If your entrance is marked by a lack of smiles, a soft voice, and poor body language, you may find yourself unwelcome, regardless of the accuracy or wittiness of your words. Now, it's important to remember, while these techniques can be effective, they should be used responsibly and with good intentions. This isn't about manipulation, it's about understanding human psychology to create better connections. Both negs and false time constraints, as well as any other social interaction techniques, should always be used responsibly, with respect, and without any intent of manipulating or deceiving others. Always ensure that your interactions are consensual and that you are respecting the other person's boundaries and comfort levels. It's essential to approach any social interaction with respect and integrity, ensuring your intentions are clear and understood. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.